This is a seated strengthening routine as a circuit that is 30 seconds of exercise followed by 30 seconds of rest. We're going to do this from the chair using either some hand weights, small dumbbells, 0.5 kilograms ideal because we're doing a few repetitions. We don't want it to be too heavy. Or you could use tins of food, bottles of water or something similar that's going to add that extra little bit of resistance to make our muscles work harder. I'll show you how to do the exercises each time before we begin, and you can just rest when you need to. The first exercise that we're going to do is a simple bicep curl where you're holding the weights in the palm of your hand, elbows tucked in to the waist, and then lower the hands down so that your arms are straight. Don't lock the elbows, bring them up to the waist, turn your wrist palms upwards towards the shoulder and back down, and that's what we're going to do for 30 seconds. I'll start the timer. Here we go. So make sure you're sitting up nice and tall in the front half of your chair, feet hip width apart, shoulders back and down. Engage your core, and here we go. So lifting, smoothly lower, turn the wrists, extend the arms and repeat. Just go at your pace. You can go at my pace or a little slower. Try not to go too fast. We want to keep this action smooth and controlled all the way through, breathing normally. So we've only got 10 seconds left now, and we're going to put the weights down and go into our next exercise. So this next one, we're going to do a knee lift, simply lifting the foot up and down. If you can, don't even touch the floor, and that will really work the thigh muscles. If you can add a little extra resistance, place the weight at the end of the leg by the knee, and you're lifting it, not with the arm, but with your leg. Okay, don't let it drop off the end of your knee. Are we ready? Sit up nice and tall, tummies tight.
Let's go.
Off we go. Lift and lower, place the foot to the floor if you need to at any point, or just take the weight away. We're going to try and go 15 seconds on one leg. You'll start to really feel it. And then we can change onto the other side, lift and lower on the other side, just that repetition. It's as if you're walking upstairs. You've got to keep that stamina going by lifting the leg using the thighs. And rest. Down we go. Well done, that's fantastic. So for the next one, we are going to use the weights out to the side this time. It'll be a lateral arm raise just to the level of the shoulders and lower down really smoothly. You could go just one arm at a time if that feels a little easier, or put the weights down and do the action with no resistance at all. So regain the good posture position, feet hip width apart, shoulders down, and off we go. Lifting to the level of the shoulders, slowly lower back down. Against gravity here, it's the lowering that's really working now through the shoulders, helping us strengthen through the arms and making us work a little bit harder as we reach the end of the 30 seconds. Remember to take a break if you need to. We're nearly there. One more. And lower back down. Fantastic. And roll your shoulders. Just keep moving your heels and rolling your shoulders in between. Now with this next one, we're going to lift up one arm and try to do the opposite knee, and it will really work through the core. So we're going to lift up the knee and opposite arm, okay, and then change each time. Important to keep the core very tall and tight so you're not leaning back. Are we ready?
Let's go.
Lift up and lower, knee and arm. You won't just feel this through your legs and arms, you'll feel this through your core muscles, through your abdomen, and you'll feel that you're really having to work quite hard to maintain that tall posture. So it's a great all-round workout just in 30 seconds. Keep going, we've only got 5 seconds left. And take those down. Well done, keep pumping your heels now. For the last one, it's just arms again this time, and we're taking them up in front to shoulder height and back down. Nice and controlled and smooth. Make sure here that you're not straining or holding your breath. If you feel now that you need to do this without, just pop the weights down. So regain your good posture, starting from the knees, shoulders back and down. Here we go.
Last round.
Only to the level of the shoulders and lower. So by keeping the arms straight, but don't lock the elbows, we're working with quite a long lever from the shoulder, so it's making the weights feel a little heavier each time we lift them. Halfway through, and we'll nearly be there at the end of the circuit. So just nice and careful, smooth and slow. Breathing. Last one here.
Well done.
And well done. Pop your weights down and then rotate your shoulders round and back, pump your heels. So you could use that as a 5-minute workout, or simply repeat it twice or even 3 times through to get a really good strengthening workout.